Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my technological world here on YouTube Tech channel. Hit the like button and subscribe our channel so you will receive our upcoming videos. Today we're gonna talk about Honor 8A Pro. Let's have a look. The Honor 8A Pro has a 6.08-inch display with a IPS LCD technology and HD plus resolutions. The smartphone comes with Kirin 710 SoC. The device is available in 32GB and 64GB storage options. Both storage variants have 3GB of RAM. The Honor 8A Pro runs on Android 9 Pie operating system. It has 3000 mAh battery. Honor 8A Pro launching is expected to be in April 2019. The 32GB variants cost around €200 and comes in black and blue colors. The Honor 8A Pro is an advanced variant of the Honor 8A. The Honor 8A is a budget smartphone and price-wise it is placed between the Honor 8A and the Honor 8C. The Honor 8A Pro has a 6.08-inch display. The display uses IPS LCD technology and it has an HD plus resolutions. The screen has a nearly bezel-less design and there is a notch in a display. The houses of front-facing camera. Speaking of cameras, the device has an 8-megapixel camera at the front and a 13-megapixel camera at the rear. The Honor 8A Pro comes with the latest entry-level chipset from Icon. The Kirin 710, this chipset has 4 Cortex-A53 cores and 4 Cortex-A73 cores. For graphics, the chipset used Mali G51 GPU. The smartphone comes with 3GB of RAM. You can buy the Honor 8A Pro in 2 storage options, 32GB and 64GB. The smartphone comes with Android 9 Pie OS and it has EMUI 9 custom station over it. The Honor 8A Pro has a 3000 mAh battery which can be charged through micro USB ports. Speaking of ports, the smartphone has a 3.5mm audio jacks. As for wireless connectivity, the Honor 8A Pro features all of standard connectivity options such as a dual SIM, 4G Volt, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and GPS. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Honor 8A Pro on the rear packs a 13-megapixel camera with an f/1.8 aperture. The rear camera setup has face detection autofocus. Connectivity options on the Honor 8A Pro include Wi-Fi 802.11b/g/n, GPS Bluetooth v4.20 micro USB, 3G and 4G. Sensors on the phone include accelerometer, ambient light sensor, proximity sensor and fingerprint sensor. The Honor 8A Pro measures 156.28 × 73.50 × 8.00 mm. Highest multiply width multiply thickness and weighs 150 grams. It was launched in blue and black colors. So ladies and gentlemen, this is a fresh news regarding upcoming Honor 8A Pro. I hope you like this video. Please tell us in the comments below that how do you like this video. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel My Technological World. And stay blessed. Peace out. Take care. Bye bye.